Hey there guys, welcome to KSED's double box break number 461 of 13-14 Crown Royal. The last event in the break was the Edmonton Oilers on March 24th. So let the camera focus there at 8:25 p.m. Eastern Time. So eBay's current game time. Click, reload. It's currently Tuesday, March 25th at 12:31 a.m. Eastern Time. So our breaking live on Breakers TV here, 461. These are boxes 9 and 10 from the case, and our serial numbers are NE206354193, 190573391. Top one is, come on, two zero six three five four one nine three 3391 on the bottom. So we'll be finishing this case off tomorrow, and then we'll just do a few loose boxes of Crown Royal, then we'll figure out what else to do afterwards. Maybe more game used. Yeah, I'd be down for that too. Daryl. 4193. Oh, okay. We have a Ruby of Joe Thorne out of 99 for the Sharks. And we have a Heirs to the Throne jersey of Jordan Schrader for the Canucks. Mythology Materials patch of Ray Bort, number 2 of 10. Not much of a patch, but still a super low number though. So nice hit there for Boston. And we have a rookie royalty autograph of Jonathan Audie Marchessault out of 499. Yeah, for the Columbus Blue Jackets. Last pack of box number 1. I just like moving the base cards to the front, just makes it a lot easier to slide across than they don't start falling down. And we have a Sovereign Sigs of Sven Barche, the Calgary Flames. Sven Barche. To box number 2. Three 391. And we have a Heirs to the Throne of Nick Bjugstad for the Florida Panthers. silhouette jersey of Scott Hartnell, the Philadelphia Flyers. Scott Hartnell. I think we've hit 4 silhouette autos out of this case so far. Hopefully, most of them have been, well, 5 is what I've seen on average, which isn't too bad for auto silhouettes. We have the Sovereign Sigs for the Columbus Blue Jackets of Tim Erickson. Columbus. And last pack of the break. No decline. Oh, it's one of the low Razor's choices. And we have a Razor's choice of Tyson Barrie for the Colorado Avalanche. Number 16 of 25. So nice hit there for Colorado. So that concludes the break, guys. So we got Crown Royale again tomorrow, new case of Dominion. Then we have case breaks of in the game news posted and totally certified.